All right, back to it. I guess now what I want to do is put some film on these windows here so no one can just look all in when they feel like it. You know, being out here in Bufu. So I'm gonna put some of this film on there to kind of cloud it, you know, and then keep prying eyes out, but let some sun in and kind of block the UV rays from getting the temperature, you know, hot. Whatever I'm saying. What? No, but for real, the humidity out here is crazy. This is pretty doable, even though it was 84 yesterday. Or whatever, it's like 86 or something. But humidity must be lower because I feel, yeah, I'm not all sticky and hot. So I'll go ahead and, I guess, do this. And then we'll jump to Project Jimmy. All right, I got one window done, but I need to put caulk all around here because the old caulk came off, so that needs to be done. So this is turning into a project more than I wanted to do. So I think I'll get this one, do what I can with the caulking, and then possibly get the bottom window on that one. Because I probably won't even be able to do that one. Probably get that one, that's it. And I gotta order more of this. I do like it. But the only thing, my gripe, oh man, I didn't crinkle it up. I didn't get a squeegee or anything with it. So I'm using a DVD case. And I'm using soap and water, but probably should just use water. You know, the soap can get trapped in there. But really, who cares what it looks like on the outside? It matters what's in the inside. All right, after it's dried a bit, it looks pretty good. Not bad. So I'll go ahead and do the other one. All right, second window is done. It turned out all right. I might have enough material for that one, so I'll see. Then I can finally start working on this thing again. Man. Close up on that. Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. Real man shit over here. And women. Man shit, you know what I mean? Disconnect this drive shaft here. Get this out the way so I can release the pin. Get the C-clips out, whatever they're called, and I can get these rear axles out. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Word. No. Free this up. That needs replaced. I have it. I haven't done it. I will. One thing at a time. Get in line. All right, now that I got this freed up, I can loosen that and get that out. a mic coming, so you'll be able to hear me better from now on when I do other crap. Oops, that don't matter. Push this in. Right out. So this thing's cooked. Oh, you should separate them, but yeah, whatever. Alright, so I gotta pull these bearings out right here. And replace them, of course. Take one of these. Alright, I got one bearing pulled right here. This crap. With this thing, I'm surprised it worked. But I did replace this, I did replace this bearing like 4 years ago, 3-4 years ago. I've been 4 or 5. Who knows? It's recorded, it's documented, but yeah. So I'll try to get the other side on camera. Noise. There it is. Morning, son. This is a good tool. Let's see. Amazon. OMT rear axle bearing puller kit. Got one important thing to do. Oh boy. Found a different piece. There we go. Okay. Safety first, then teamwork. Here's the bearing kit. New seal, new bearings. All right, I'm done with the wheel bearing replacement. That's some good old 8090W. That's what it calls for. Okay. Boom. On the next video, I'll install the limited slip in the 410 gears. So it's pretty hot. But we got the wheel bearings installed, and that's exactly what I wanted to do today. So I'm happy with that, and I'll be on to the next one. All right, till then, peace. Like and subscribe. I ended up doing all 4 of the glass window panes on that windowsill, so I'll do the back one later when I get more of the clings. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Follow me while I rebuild Project Jimmy.